Hello and welcome to this edition of Goa 365's Story Behind the Story. Today we come again to the discussion of law and order. The law and order situation here in Goa, nobody knows. The government says it's fine. Everybody else says that a lot needs to be done. Being polite, the issue that I have found in this past few months is that nobody seems to be scared of the police. Otherwise, they wouldn't be doing the things that they are doing, even in curfews and lockdowns. So, as the opposition, Reginald, तुम्ही किती आहात तुझे? What do you have to
Yeah.
say on this? You agree? You disagree? You think everything is fine?
So what has happened is basically because of the COVID situation, the police also are a bit scared to to catch anybody or to arrest anybody or to anything. First, second, the parties, the illegal things are still going on full swing. The drug parties, everything going on full swing.
Okay.
The other side, there is already a law and order situation in the sense that police can't be nice for that. People are not getting scared of the police
Why?
because
Why? Why?
ah why? Because see, it trickles down like this. If the man on top is not managing well, the bottom fails. If the boss has control over his whole cloud on over his whole administration, there is no problem. So I feel that there is a big gap from the top to down, and that is why this is the reason. And lawlessness has become the fashion of the day. Finished.
Mr. Mamladar, you have been a cop. You've also been a policeman early. Sorry, a politician. तुम्ही किती म्हणता? You agree with what Reginald is saying as a policeman? Forget about the politics part. As a policeman, why you think that ती भिरांत ना गोंयकारांक पुलिसांची?
I fully agree with Reginald because law and order situation has completely went down. And public, criminals mostly, criminals, they are not scared of police. On the contrary, common man, a good citizen, he is apprehending some danger from the hands of police, as well as from the situation is bad. Police has to be very firm on this. Their image, I mean, they have to create their own image. Police has to create their own image rather than working in the hands of politicians. I fully agree with Reginald, and that is how police has to improve their image.
Dotor, now तुमका माचे on I will want to bring you in on two parts. One is as a member of civic society and one is as a lawyer. So first, I would like to ask you as a member of civic society and being very close to a lot of the politicians on the ruling side, what you feel as a common Goan, as a common man, when you see all these things being on the news, what do you feel as a person? And then let's talk as a lawyer.
Let's take this issue from statistics point of view. First of all, if you go through the statistics that is presented before the House, it clearly says that, and it is in consonance with the National Crime Bureau report, which said that the crime in Goa is down by 11%. This is not what I am telling you. These are not my figures. These are figures which are tabled on the House. I think Reginald Bab knows it well. Now, take another part of it. There is another aspect to it. Earlier it was 82% or something, and now it has gone to 80. So, if you go by facts and figures, facts and figures, then the government appears to be doing well on this point. So, therefore, the credit must go to the chief minister who holds the position of the home minister. That yes, as far as on statistics, but yes, the recent 2-3 incidents that has happened where some videos are being circulated, people with swords are celebrating birthdays, and it is kind of a wrong message which is going to the society. Now, yes, that needs to be looked into. You have to thoroughly investigate that part of whatever mishaps which has been happening in the society. Call them to the police station, make them aware, see if they can be booked under the Arms Act, because sword is not something that you can roam around, and it amounts to an offense carrying on, especially in the Bangalore, because the powers have been delegated to the state government to bar a particular type of assault weapons in a particular area. Now, I think the kind of videos that are being circulated, it gives me a to say that yes, similar sort of a notification also requires to be introduced in Goa, where things do not go beyond a particular limit, where people roams around with a sword and creates a panic-like situation in state. The question that was asked about pandemic. Now, see the present situation. Police are well equipped to deal with a law and order situation. The pandemic is not a situation, and the things that unfortunate events that happened during the pandemic, I don't think police are well equipped to do. Nobody knows in what manner these are to be done. They
Fine
are also
police,
to
nobody is equipped to deal with that, but that is a different
Nobody.
matter. Yeah.
Yes, so that's what I was saying. So if it gives an impression to the people that yes, police should have done better or more, or they should have dealt with it, then I would like to give them an handicap that this is not a situation where police have their expertise. Law and order is a completely different aspect.
Yeah, Reginald, हांव कितें म्हणटालो now is the perception of the people is that there is no fear of the police. What do you have to, the issue, legal laws, everything are in place, but the perception, भिरांत ना, this point, Reginald, I want you to agree, disagree with.
Glenn,
Yeah.
I'm only on this one point. It is like the COVID scene. On paper, it is fine, but on ground, it is super fine. So much fine that videos have been taken by people to express their views and explain to the chief minister and the health minister what is the situation. And all credit is given to him to say what is happening, how people are suffering, and what is the facts of life. Like one lady video is circulating. She's saying, I don't want the body only. She's saying some parts have been removed. Paper it is like this, and on ground it is like this. So I strongly disagree with doctor saying that that on ground it is entirely different. And
लोग-
police maybe
लोग बेजार आहा.
police can't act because of COVID scene also.
मिस्टर मामलादार तुम्ही तुमचे कितें आहा म्हणणें ना बिकॉज युवर युवर पुलीसमॅन ते परसेप्शन लोकांची पयले आमी पासून हें आहलें तेन्ना पुलिसींक लोक भिताले आतां ते चेंज
Yeah.
जाता न्हू धाकटे धाकटे आय वोंट लायक टू से एनी नेम बट यंग बॉयज ते द वे ते चलता ते भिरांत ना म्हणून वॉट यू फील तुमी यू एग्री विथ वॉट आय से मिस्टर मामलादार
Advocate Samandan pay सांगलानी statistics. I don't agree with that statistics. There are so many crimes which are unregistered. So many.
Okay.
People are going to police station. The crime is not being registered. Yes, statistics is not fair enough. On the contrary, there are cognizable cases. They are converted into non-cognizable cases. For example, fight in a public place. It amounts to affray, a cognizable offense. But some NC is registered. Both the parties are sent at home. So this is the situation. So many crimes are being worked. That is why the statistics, I mean, we cannot rely on that statistics which is given by advocate. Law and order, I feel, when I was in police at Harbour, so many NC complaints on these borderline cases, I used to register as cognizable cases. That is how one has to build up his image. This is how police has to act.
बट दॅट इज नॉट हॅपनिंग ते जायना ते जायना
No, exactly. It is not happening earlier. A police officer, a head constable, could register a case at police station under section 154. But now instructions or directions are to be taken from superior officers, maybe SP or DYSP. This is the situation now going on. So naturally, crime will come down. Statistics will be manipulated as per their wish and everything. So we cannot just trust on that statistics, but what is happening on the ground level, that we have to consider. Police has definitely to create its image. It is not third-degree method, but registration of the crime. That
Is
is
most
fair
important.
enough. Register the case, people will come under control.
Doctor, now legally on this registration of crimes, is that now the Supreme Court has said that you have to register the FIR, you have to register this. Could you give us some this, and are our Goan police not following those crimes? They will register a crime when they feel like it, they will register. What do you feel? Jata toshe, and what are the Supreme Court guidelines? What are the court guidelines on this?
If if a cognizable offense is not registered, you can go to the higher ups, you can go to SP, then DYSP. If that is also not done, you can file a private complaint. You can also go to the High Court, file a petition for getting your FIR registered. There are various other ways. But we are not talking about that. We are talking about the brazenness in which certain acts are committed, which creates a panic like situation in the now that needs to be, I agree with them, that needs to be made an example. Those who are now, I was talking to some of my colleagues in Delhi during this CA and NRC. There were a lot of young boys who had made videos which were disturbing. They would say, we will go and burn down the houses of a particular community. We would do so and so thing to them. Instead of police going and arresting and registering that offense, they went them, they nabbed them. They told them this amounts to an offense. You better make another video and express a regret. That goes a long way, because there are various made. Ultimately, in a welfare society, a rule of law has to be established. The purpose of crime is not to teach a lesson to somebody. It is more to do that such a thing is not repeated. And this in long way, because today in this cyber age, people are making videos and creating panic, because access to this is so easy and it is so vast and spread, that it is required to come with a alternate and a different mechanism and a different approach, whereby you reach to more people and convince them that yes, that something has been done. So of course, I'm not saying that they should be that no crime should be registered or anything. Of course, that should also happen. But if you can get them to express a regret on social media, saying that, now for example, we were talking about the same thing, the brazen, as you were talking about the brazen people roaming around with swords and other if you can get them to make another video and saying that yes, it was wrong on our past and we express regret, now that would go a long way in assuring people of the civil society that yes, something has been done. Make an example of these people.
Reginald, is it possible? Is it possible? You think today the situation is reached wherein these people are going to, like for example, the video about in the jail. I don't know, he's from South, he's from Vasco, the guy who's thing there. Now, obviously, he has the pull.
Correct.
He knows that the jailers are in hand in glove with him. And he I don't know, he's roaming around like one star here, like one, some celebrity. So you think it will be easy to change this type of people without the fear of the law, without them getting scared of the law, without them being sure, okay, you make a crime, I will be put in jail. Without that, you think it's possible? रेजना जातले जाऊंग शकता
हाँ सुन्याची आंकडी तो he has already committed offenses, that's why he is inside. You take change kota zalari, it is not possible. If you tell me Dodo, I disagree with you cannot change him at all. Teka law moto dakoicho potalo, teka to video kalto first. Tek Birant naam gotta tek lagun that video kalla, knowing the consequences. He doesn't care at all. Now that sword case. Tek Birant namun kai जावपा नामून tek the video काढला आणि ten video किती काढला मुका राणी करपा हाय उ दाखोवपाक ten test करपाक ten काढला.
Reginald, let me interrupt you. We are going into a short break. We'll be back. Let's go into a short break. Keep watching. Welcome back. Reginald, you were talking about the Birantna, about these various things. Please continue. Yeah.
Now what has happened is, त्यांका केसलीच Birant नामून कोट्टा तेका लागून ten video काढला. आता ही Birant नाम म्हणलो तें इज अ डेंजरस टर्म कित्याक हे टेस्टिंग ग्राउंड न्ही हे बारीक ऑफेन्सेस एशकोन टीव्हीचे येवप व्हिडिओचे येवप टेस्टिंग कोताय ते इट इज परिकरागे स्टाईल जस्ट एन आयडिया म्हणजे सो जस्ट एन आयडिया मारक पडतो don't know. It's just an idea has to be nipped on the bud. And with the chief minister saying Birant Namadari, mani piupa koros.
I don't think
this is
Birana for
this
this,
is
but
this-
anyway, point
this-
taken.
Glenn,
What
Glenn,
you feel on
Glenn,
the ground,
no-
Reginald? कितें लोग generally भिरांत आसा भिरांत ना सगळे.
ग्राउंड बिरांत बाबा कित्याक सोड बोर्ड घेवन भोंवपा लागले ओपन जाल्यार कोणाक खात्री ते आयडियार ना लोकांक को पयशे नाय लोकांक कांय ना थेफ्ट करपाक मर्डर करपाक इजी जातोलें सो इट हॅज टू बी टेकन बाय फुल फोर्स हे एक्शन घेवप कोणाक दोग जाणां भितर उडोवप सारकें करप हें करचें पडटलें ना जाल्यार there will be a mass because dacoit is see now 3 months जाले लॉकडाउन पिरियड हे जाला लोकांक पयशे काबार जाले 3 months they maintain आणि 2 months or 1 month कित कोतले it is not so easy not so simple baba so because of all these issues we have to take them to task we have to strengthen the force I am not as an opposition talking I am talking आमगे गोंयकारां मोगान आमगे लोकां मोगान उलयता हांव कितें म्हणू की एक्शन जर तर घेना टास्क पुलीस जर तर जाग्यार हे हाडनाय सिच्युएशन जाल्यार मुखार भरना फिनिश दॅट्स इट आणि मुखार भरना जाल्यार भिवपाची गरज आसा
Mr. Bhavlal, you agree with this as a policeman and as a people's man, you agree कितें रेजिनाल्ड कितें म्हणा भिवपाची गरज ना भिवपाची गरज आसा बट भिरांत ना जाल्यार पळय पुलिसाची भिरांत ना जाल्यार कोण भितलो ऑटोमॅटिकली न्हू आतां तूं पुलीस कोण म्हणीत जाल्यार तूं वयल्यान आय हॅव सीन विथ माय ओन आयज पुलीस से समथींग लोक आनीक दोन हे रिप्लाय करता तेका
पयलींच सांगलां की पुलिसांनी आपलो एक इमेज तयार करपाकूच जाय क्रिमिनल should get afraid of police.
Yes, that is what.
हांगा कितें
Yeah, but
जाता
how? How?
बरो मनीस लागता क्रिमिनल
I will explain.
सुशेगाद पुलीस स्टेशनार पुलीस ऑफिसरा समोर बसता दिस इज द सिच्युएशन बरो मनीस भिता whereas criminal goes in the police station sits and just tea with police officer this is the situation going on हे जावं जायना criminal should be kept at bay आणि बऱ्या मनशा कडेन फ्रेंडली परिस्थिती आसूंकूच जाय तर एक कॉन्फिडन्स पुलिसां मदीं कॉन्फिडन्स वाडटलो आणि एक पुलिसांची इमेज तयार जातली लॉ अँड ऑर्डर सिच्युएशन विल डेफिनेटली इम्प्रूव I know.
What has happened about this not getting scared of the police and it is deteriorated over time. Overnight जावंक ना न्हू Mr. Malhotra. So
That is what I
how
was
is it
saying.
possible? How is it possible immediately करपाक? It is possible. Mr. Malhotra, this question is to you.
But if action is taken against some non-acting police officer, definitely a message will go. पण हांगा कितें जाता फक्त एक्शन घेतलें ना एका पुलीस ऑफिसरान so he is protected. So that trend has become now a practice.
Yes, by and large, this fear of there is a difference between fear of a law and a fear of a police officer. Moment you see a police officer, you should feel secure, not afraid of him. Only criminals that's very bad. That's very bad. A negative way of looking
But sir,
at it.
let me
If
just
you are feeling afraid of,
let me interrupt. Sorry, let me interrupt. I cannot help saying this. Yes, it looks like in today all these criminals are very happy that the police are around.
you are right, Glenn. You are absolutely right. Therefore, the fear has to be of the law, not of the police officer.
Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough. Yeah.
So police. So and how do you do it? You nab him immediately, conduct an efficient trial, collect all the evidence, and punish him. It doesn't have to be punished to a disproportionate extent. It's not. It's not because that it's not that you are not harshly you are punished. That's why there is no fear of law. It's just that it is taking too much of time. People are feeling, or the criminals are feeling, काय जावपाचें ना रे. It is this attitude of the state which is slowly percolated down the system, and it is that which is creating the problem. There is absolutely nothing wrong with the kind of system that we have. It is just this attitude slowly that has crept in, which is creating problem. Absolutely not. But by and large, if I tell you the condition of the law, I do not agree with other two panelists which are saying that it's so bad. I can only go by the fact. See, ultimately we have to go by the fact. Now, there was an instance where it was mentioned by our good friend Love that yes, some clients were not reported. Well, that has been happening in past also.
Yes.
It's not that it happened in 2019 or 2020. Now, if those things are not happening, it was happening in past also. That's not a justification for it to continue. But to say that no, law and order has deteriorated immediately, that doesn't appear to be if you go by facts and figures.
Dodor, I would
But
like to
yes,
interrupt you and put one point across. Now see, now I agree. It has to be the fear of the law. I totally agree. However, for a case, एकदा कोर्टान गेले, एंटर जाले, by the time it comes out, by the time he's guilty, convicted, even in heinous cases, it takes 10 years. Half the time that witness is bribed, using the word bribe, but he doesn't appear in court. He turns hostile. One.
There where the problem lies.
That's why it is important. Like I remember during our youth, yet you have to be scared of the cops. We have to be scared of the cops. Now, for example, today's IG, DGP, who are doing security business in the north have got direct access to their offices. I have seen security business in the north. One of the guys is still absconding. If somebody have we ever seen, Reginald, Mr. Mamladar, have we ever seen a shootout at 3 o'clock in the morning in Goa? Have we seen? Tomorrow it can be done to my house. Yeah, I take up something, somebody will come and shoot up my lads. Or Reginald, you are in the public eye. Anybody. Now, have we seen that? And the main culprit is still not caught. That means the police are so good. I don't know. What do you feel? Dr.
See, this connection of mafias and police is also not new. It is happening. I am not saying it's right. I am not saying that the cops are good or bad. There has been instances where such thing has happened. There has been instances where such thing has happened. There has been something where there has been defaults on behalf of cops also. Now this needs to be investigated, and that cop also needs to be made an example. Nobody is defending such a cop. And it's a shocking incident. But to blame the entire system and to ask for a shift of a system of such a nature where you want people to get scared of cop, now that would take you to another angle, and the consequences could be disastrous. We do not want fear of a police officer. We want fear of a law, and that too only for the purpose, only for the criminal, not for the law-abiding citizen. They should not be feared. We should have a good witness protection program. We should have a good, quick, fast, efficient justice delivery system. We should have more and more forensics and a new way of presenting the evidence. We want reforms in the criminal system. That is what is required for establishment.
Yeah, Reginald.
That is what is required, and will go a long way.
Doctor, I'll interrupt you. I'll tell you what has happened. If this fellow, from 2012 to 2020, the present same government deteriorate law and order, no doubt. Can we do it? Can we all gang together and say that from today we'll put it in order? Why not?
Of course, yes. You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right.
Let's start how he case zalyani take action दोन सारको take somto हे करपाचो गाल पडते हे जाला 1 second ते भुरग्या मारले ते थिंगा ते सारखे drug parties free आहे. Do you know restaurants? I'll name one restaurant. आता कल्लीज म्हणते हा.
Yes.
किती चालते दोदर. I have raised it in the assembly. काय जायना आणि important nexus between police and investigation from 2012 to till 20 same government केलो ते investigation दोतर विरांग कितें भिवपाची गरज ना आणि भिवपाची गरज ना म्हणून कमेंट्स करपाची दोतर ना जाल्यार जालें zero.
I fully agree with you.
Let me bring it. Now you're talking about this police and nexus. Now, Mr. Mawla, I think this is the right time. Now, the BJP has brought in Roy. Now, this Roy was part of that police and all nexus. So, I think you are the right person to start on. Anyway, I don't want to say anything. Please, Mr. Bache Sangta, what is your opinion on this?
Situation of that, then we have to go in 2012. 2012 House Committee form केली. Of which Miki Pashiko was chairman, non-BJP. I was one of the members. Then Kaito Silva was one of the members. And 2 BJP MLA, Michael Loper and Vishnu Wag. Inquiry केली, so many documents we perused and everything. A report तयार केलो. And we found nexus between politician, police and drug dealers. We substantiated it. तो रिपोर्ट तयार जातकीर आम्ही तिघी जणांनी नॉन बीजेपी लोकांनी तिघी जणांनी सायन मारली. हे दोघूय जण बीजेपीनी सायन मारू ना, कित्याक मारू ना? व्हॉट इज द रिजन? तो जर रवी जाल्यार एवरीबडी इन गोवा नोज Parrikar was famous for that, putting criminal cases against his opponents. For example, Somnath Dwarkar, Mavin Gudino, Khalaf, Digambar Kamath, Churchill Alimov, everybody. Ravi Nayak जर त्यातून इन्व्हॉल्व असेल त्यांनाच रजिस्टर झाले चिल्ली which we recommended. That is why it was not investigated. आता सुद्धा किरण कांदोळकर म्हणता किरण कांदोळकर one of the member of yes, go for investigation of that case which we had recommended. त्यांनी केले ना आता already the house committee has filed it.
Nothing happened. Nothing. Dodor, now you.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are right. Yes, you are right. Absolutely on this point, political point, you are absolutely right. When you induct somebody in a party, his character, what he has done, what kind of allegations were there in past, what your own party man has said about him in past, all these things, public remembers all these things, and then they will draw their all inferences. And in an issue like this, when crimes are increasing and people of a particular nature, I do not want to name, I'm not saying it only for the purpose of Roy or somebody else, for anybody. Now, if you are accepting people with a serious kind of credibility, credentials and serious kind of criminal background in your party, people would certainly look at it from this. And then ultimately, if the crime happens, then they will try to put two and two together, and they will say
that.
if their own party men also are criminal.
Wait. Let me. It's not that. The issue is not that. The issue is like, for example, like in that Reginald and Mr. Malo, that Arpora case. Now the Arpora case, it was a night curfew, right? One. Number two.
Correct.
The people were seen fighting, drinking, prominent families. And what do the police do? They go and arrest the caretaker of the place.
Correct.
There is a half an hour fight on the roads where bottles are broken, where knives are put, and it's all on social media. And what do the police do? They go and arrest. Now you tell me one thing. Where is the law and order? Where is the Home Ministry in this?
Clear-cut violation of 188, because forget about other things, but 188 is violated.
Why aren't they arrested?
They need to be. The particular IO needs to be taken to the task. The IO in this case needs to be, the police station within whose jurisdiction this has happened needs to be taken to the task. Absolutely know this.
Reginald, what do you have to say about this? You agree? Disagree?
Wow, because all these they have escaped because he is son of a casino owner.
Yes, now that is something that you all have to say. What do you think? I don't know.
Yes, it's correct. What my friend Reginald is saying is correct. It's only the rich and famous and influential people get away with the law. This is a small person. That is always happened, and it happens everywhere in the world, not just in Goa.
Yeah, but percentage.
Pandemic, it should not happen at least.
And I'm sure a program like this will create some sort of awareness, if not everything, and people will start talking about it.
At least I'll get a few calls besides that. Okay. Yeah, anyway, it was nice.
I think hope it creates some sort of a pressure. I hope those who are responsible to act are listening to this, and it creates some sort of a sense of duty in them, some sort of a pressure, so that at least we see some difference on the ground.
Reginald, any last words? Last words? Mr. Mamladar, anything last?
I am concluding. It may be not that Ravi Roy. It is quite possible. Ravi it appears. The case would have been registered against Ravi at that time. So it was not a sort of BJP's opponent.
Anyway, thanks a lot, Mr. Love Mamladar.
Grateful.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And keep watching Goa 365.